This video will be simple. This video will be simplistic. Do you want it to be simple or simplistic? I choose simple. Stay tuned and find out why. Okay, guys, simple versus simplistic. Interesting adjectives. Let's get started. It is common for English learners and even some native English speakers to mix up words that look or sound similar. What is the difference between the adjectives simple and simplistic? Okay, don't say, "We don't need a complicated solution." Instead, we need a simplistic solution. Say instead, "We don't need a complicated solution. Instead, we need a simple solution." But why? Well, the adjective simple is used to describe things that are uncomplicated, so not complicated, straightforward, not confusing, and easy to understand. Okay? Simple means uncomplicated, straightforward, easy to understand. It's a positive adjective. Simplistic means oversimplified. This means much too simple, very, very, very simple, and therefore not helpful, unhelpful. Because usually situations are more complex than this. Simplistic is a negative adjective. When something is simplistic, it means that any complexity about the idea or issue or situation has been ignored. In this example, we don't need a complicated solution. Instead, we need a simplistic solution. We need a simplistic solution means it's oversimplified and it's unhelpful. Well, we don't want an unhelpful solution, right? We want a good solution. So do you usually want an unhelpful solution to a problem that you have? No, right? So we need a simple solution. This means easily understood and uncomplicated. Much better. The speaker is looking for a simple solution, not a solution that is so basic that it is unhelpful. Don't say, "Mark's simple opinion is that everyone is either good or bad." Say instead, "Mark's simplistic opinion is that everyone is either good or bad." Okay, why simplistic? Well, everyone in the world is either good or bad. That's all. This is oversimplified, too simple. And it's unhelpful because this topic is much more complex, right? People can be good, bad, in between. They can be good to some people and bad to other people. You understand, right? It's not a Marvel movie. Good and bad. Yeah. Don't say, I have a test next week. The strategy is simplistic. Study. Okay. This is oversimplified and unhelpful. That's what simplistic means. Well, is the strategy to study for a test an unhelpful idea? No, right? What do you do for a test? You study. Say instead, I have a test next week. The strategy is simple. Study. This is uncomplicated and straightforward. Okay, guys, now it's your turn. I will give 5 examples. You tell me if you think simple or simplistic is correct or incorrect. Write your answers down in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Okay, ready? His ideas are far too simple to take seriously. His ideas are far too simple to take seriously. Correct or incorrect? Number 2, children's books tell simplistic, meaningful stories. Children's books tell simplistic, meaningful stories. Number 3, this computer program checks all the boxes for you. It is a simple way to do your taxes. I hate doing and paying my taxes. Number 4, my wife left me and I lost my job. Just get over it is a simplistic piece of advice. Do you want to know a simplistic way to save money? Don't spend it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more free English videos in the future. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar and adjectives simple, not simplistic. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.